You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning bottle in French, or bottle, as the Americans would say. So how do you say bottle in French? Bouteille, bouteille, bouteille. If it's plural, if you've got several bottles, you add an S to the spelling at the end to indicate that it's plural, but the pronunciation doesn't change, so makes it easy. Bouteille. Bouteille is how you say bottle in French, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.